Continuity is not very difficult as long as you know what you're looking for. So there's really three types of discontinuity that we're going to talk about. There's removable, there's jump, and then there's infinite. So I'll go over an example of each. But first, let's learn continuous. Continuous means there's no breaks or jumps or anything in the line. It could look something like this. It could just be a straight line. As long as there's no jumps or holes or anything, it's not a problem. It's continuous. So this would be an example of a continuous line. So the first type of discontinuity you need to know is removable. So what that looks like is like this. You'll have like a line, and then there will be like a hole, and then the line will continue. So this right here, this hole, throws you a removable discontinuity. Now they could also have the hole filled like down here or something. It doesn't matter. If there's a hole there, it is a removable discontinuity. And the way you want to answer this is you want to say removable discontinuity at, and then you say where that discontinuity happens. So let's say it's at 2. So I would say at x equals 2. So that's removable. Next is a jump discontinuity. It's exactly what it sounds like. So like you have your line, and then it's going to have like a jump. It's going to stop, and then it's going to jump and keep going. This jump right here is a jump discontinuity. So all you have to do to answer this is same thing as before. Just answer with the x values. So let's say 1, 2, 3. So I would say jump discontinuity at x equals 3. Okay, the last one that you're going to get is an infinite discontinuity. So what that looks like is you'll have your line, and it'll have another section. They could both be going the same way. They could be going opposite ways. It doesn't matter. Generally, you're going to find these on asymptotes. So just so you know, I said it just a second ago, but they don't have to go the same way. They can go like opposite ways even. Something like that around the asymptote. So you answer it same way as before. You just say, okay, 1, 2, 3. Say I had an asymptote of x equals 3. Well, that's where my infinite discontinuity would be.